Are you looking for the best steam cleaners for tile? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best steam cleaners for tile on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner for Multipurpose Cleaning. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a powerful, heavy-duty steamer that can clean, degrease, and deodorize any surface without the use of chemicals. With a temperature of up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit per 135 degrees Celsius, it can effectively kill 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. It has a large capacity that can clean for up to 50 minutes per fill-up, making it perfect for floor cleaning as well. Plus, you can use any regular towel or cloth, eliminating the need for expensive special pads. What we like: chemical-free cleaning. Can kill 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. Large capacity can clean for up to 50 minutes per fill-up. Can be used on any surface, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Number 2. Kärcher SC3 Steam Cleaner. The Kärcher Steam Cleaner is a powerful multi-purpose steamer that heats up in just 40 seconds to provide a naturally deep clean. It effectively eliminates grease and stains on various surfaces while killing up to 99.9% of common household bacteria and viruses without the need for harsh chemicals. This steam cleaner is versatile, allowing you to effortlessly clean different types of floors, windows, and mirrors. With its lamella technology, steam is evenly distributed for maximum cleaning efficiency, making your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. The set includes various attachments for different cleaning needs, providing you with a comprehensive cleaning solution. What we like: fast 40-second heat-up. Chemical-free cleaning. Multifunctional with versatile attachments. Number 3. McCulloch MC1230 Handheld Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1230 Handheld Steam Cleaner offers chemical-free cleaning, hot-pressured steam to eliminate grease, grime, and stains from different surfaces. With a quick heat-up time of under 3 minutes, it provides up to 10 minutes of steam for continuous cleaning. It comes with 11 versatile accessories and an extra-long power cord with a 34-inch extension hose for greater reach, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach places. The steamer is supported by a customer service team based in Andover, Kansas, and has a 2-year warranty. What we like: chemical-free cleaning. Quick heat-up time. Comes with 11 versatile accessories. Extra-long power cord and 34-inch extension hose for greater reach. Supported by a customer service team based in Andover, Kansas and has a 2-year warranty. Number 4. Aspirin Steam Cleaner. The Aspirin Steam Cleaner is a powerful and efficient multipurpose steam cleaner that is perfect for deep cleaning various surfaces. With its fast heating feature, it preheats in just 4 to 6 minutes, allowing you to start cleaning quickly. The large capacity water tank provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steaming, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. Equipped with 21 versatile accessories, including brushes, nozzles, and extension tubes, this steam cleaner can handle different cleaning tasks in your car, office, bedroom, and home. The 360 degrees easy rolling wheels and sturdy handle make it easy to move around without tipping over. Safety features such as the built-in child lock and temperature control system ensure safe operation. With its wide coverage range of 11 m, the Aspirin Steam Cleaner is your ultimate cleaning solution. What we like: fast heating. Large capacity. Versatile accessories. Number 5. Vivibyan Handheld Steam Cleaner. The Vivibyan Steam Cleaner offers powerful 3.0 bar steam pressure, delivering hot steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 12 minutes. This feature makes it easy for you to tackle tough grease and grime, leaving your surfaces spotless. With its safe, chemical-free operation, you can clean your home without worrying about harmful substances, making it safe for children and pets. It heats up in under 3 minutes, ensuring quick and efficient cleaning whenever you need it. Plus, the included 11-piece accessory kit allows you to customize your cleaning experience for various surfaces and tasks. What we like: powerful steam pressure. Chemical-free cleaning. Quick heating time. Versatile accessories.